Are you someone who wants to eat healthier but finds it challenging to stick to a plan, or trying to design nutrition-focused meal planning, wanting an automatic meal plan generator that can create custom meal plans that match your calorie and macro goals? No matter what your nutrition goals are, we do have an AI solution for you. Welcome to Appsolute. We bring the latest, most informative and engaging content on technology, AI, and software. We pride ourselves on providing personalized recommendations and advice to keep you up to date with the latest trends and products with comprehensive reviews, tutorials, and helpful tips. To be a part of our community of tech and AI enthusiasts and stay ahead of the curve, subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to get notified of our latest videos. Having done so, let's get right into the video. Introducing Prospre, the AI-powered meal planner that takes the guesswork out of meal planning and helps you stay on track with your health goals. First, download the Prospre app from the App Store or Google Play. Once downloaded, open the app and input your height, weight, age, and gender. This will help the app determine your body type. Next, choose your activity level, exercise routine, and primary weight goals, including your preferred diet type, such as vegan, vegetarian, or normal. Based on this information, Prospre will calculate your macros and generate a custom meal plan for you. But Prospre is more than just a meal planner. One of the best features of Prospre is the food diary, which helps you track everything you eat. You can even use the nutrition fact scanner to scan barcodes and find out the nutritional value of what you ate. Prospre also offers an AI coach that analyzes your weight and the foods you ate to provide suggestions to keep you on track. And let's not forget about the automatic grocery lists. You get a grocery list with everything you need alongside your generated diet plan, autofill your cart with Amazon Fresh, or take your list to the store with you. So, if you're ready to revolutionize your diet and achieve your nutrition goals, then Prospre is the tool for you. Try it out today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on technology, AI, and software. And if you have experience using the tool, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.